my name is Yves Cosentino, and I am the founder and maker of Algebra, which is an extra dry coffee liqueur, which we make here in London. It's made with 3 simple ingredients: coffee, mostly coffee, beautiful specialty coffee, which is ground and roasted to our specifications, and which we extract with water, and then which we fortify with rum, and then sweeten with just enough cane sugar to make it technically a liqueur. How our coffee extraction works, it's not a cold brew process, it's a cold drip process. So technically what we do is we take coffee, which we grind to a fairly fine grind size, just above espresso, and then we trickle water very gently, very slowly through the bed of coffee, and then we collect an extract here, drop by drop.
This replicates exactly, in a smaller scale, the percolation process of the main extraction tank. Coffee liqueur is a key ingredient to a cocktail that is back in fashion, the Espresso Martini, invented by a London bartender in the 80s.
Dick Bratzel, the originator of the drink, who's considered to be the godfather of modern London bartending, was working at a place called the Soho Brasserie on Old Compton Street. And he came up with an idea for a drink on the rocks that was vodka and coffee liqueur.
But the vodka espresso inspiration came about at Soho Brasserie when the bar was set up with an espresso machine right next to his service station. So he was constantly having to pick coffee grounds out of drinks. And people have debated this story forever. A young model walked in saying that she'd been working all day, she wanted to party all night, and she wanted a drink that would wake her up and her up. And that was when he came up with the idea of adding the coffee liqueur.
At the time, that was just when martinis were coming back into people's view. And so he put it into a cocktail glass, ta-da, with no ice, and it became the Espresso Martini.